Today, we review the best 5 toolbox that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Dewalt DWST17806 T-Stack B Toolbox. Whether you are a woodworker or a professional tradesperson, the Dewalt DWST17806 Toolbox offers you innovative tool storage options. Built tough for harsh job site conditions, the sturdy black plastic box has heavy-duty anti-rust metal latches and hinges and 2 durable yellow plastic side latches.
Number 2.
Ketter Classic Toolbox. If you are an electrician or a DIY enthusiast, the Ketter Classic Toolbox is a great storage solution for all your tools. Rugged and durable, the professional-style toolbox is perfect for indoor or outdoor workspaces.
Number 3.
Stanley O28001L28 Toolbox. Durable, versatile, and secure, the Stanley O28001L28 FatMax Toolbox is the perfect toolbox. Made in the USA, the sturdy toolbox is constructed from tough thermoplastic resin that increases its structural durability.
Number 4.
Plano 823-003-22 Toolbox. Organizing, storing, and accessing your tools is so easy with the Plano 823-003 Toolbox. The sturdy graphite gray box is made from heavy-duty water-resistant molded polypropylene plastic and has durable reinforced plastic handles and latches.
Number 5.
Rigid Storage Cart and Organizer Toolbox. Tough, portable, and incredibly versatile, the Rigid Tool Storage Cart and Organizer Stackable Toolbox is a fantastic mobile tool storage solution. This smart storage system contains 3 toolboxes, large, medium, and small, which gives you total tool storage versatility.